Hey guys, welcome back to Roblox Flood Escape Part 2. Last time, my brother needed help with his video, so today we're going to be trying to find Flood Escape, because, kind of lost it. I found Flood Survival. There's Prison Life 2, but we need a Flood Escape 2. So it's not going to work. Not going to work at all. We don't have Flood Escape 2. So that's why I'm going to look this up. Not fraud. Flood Escape 2. Just going to take a sip of my drink right now. What? No. If we don't get to play Flood Escape 2, most part of this video. Okay? Alright guys, I think we're going to be playing something else today. On Flood Escape 2. We just need to be patient. Very patient. Good. Okay guys, we are here. And multiplayer. I guess. Alright. 8 players need to escape. Oh, no. Take me back to Roblox. Oh, I don't even know where I am. No. What? Medium. Oh no. Guys, I don't know how to play Flood Escape. It's like you don't touch the water. I remember Dennis Daly playing it. Oh. Dang it. Didn't escape. So that's why you never played Flood Escape. Let's go to training, because I can't do anything right. Training, let me in. Or do you want me to take your pipes and bust them? Alright. What is this? Alright, so the water kills you. Yeah, definitely that. So let's just go here. I thought Code Cracker's like something you have to go to. Something. Is it this one? Okay. Oh. Ah! No, I don't like these codes. Is it? Or is it something Code Cracker? What? No. Okay. That's not good. Okay, I don't know what to do. Have to do it. Goes like this. Gotta check you. Alright. Most importantly, I gotta get out of here because too stupid to survive. I think we already did that. Is there any over here? Reaction. What? What? Green? Green? It was green. It was green! Blue! No! No! What happens if I go in here? Oh, I can't. Okay. So now I just now know that. Oh wait. What? That guy could have told me. Hang on, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. And what should we do? Single player? Yeah, I'm just gonna go with this guy here. Well, he left, but now I think he's going with me or something. Can I get in here? I want to be a trophy. No. Well, what's a trophy? Then, what does endless mean? I'm just gonna do practice because let's go easy. Choose a room. Room 1. Warehouse, box trap. Oh, warehouse 2. Warehouse. No side floors. Oh, how do you get? Where'd my hair go? Where'd my hair go? No, guys, this is not okay. I had beautiful hair. beautiful hair, and they take it away from me. Oh, is it right? Can I just stay up here? Oh, I died that way. Starting to think I'll die. Oh, what? Am I in trouble? What is going on? You have to get up there. No! Oh, at least I got my hair back. Am I a trophy now? Am I the trophy I always wanted to be? Probably because I can't get out. Hello? So we could go with it. Okay. I need practice. Still gonna go easy. Room 1. What does the warehouse look like? Okay. Just had to start me off where I didn't want to. No, my hair! What have you guys done to my hair? What have these people done to my hair? They have ruined everything. No, hop it! Ah, come on, Asher. Alright guys, I'm going to have to end this video here today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Hang on, I gotta turn it off.